2023 BMW 7 Series Review and Prices. Pros. Engines offer smooth, powerful acceleration. Interior blends futuristic design with high-quality materials. Smooth and quiet ride. Long list of standard features. Cons. Lack of interior buttons can be frustrating. Optional rear seat display obstructs visibility. What's new? A new 7 Series generation debuts, with a massively improved interior. Impressive material choices and tech features. No longer feels like just a nicer 5 Series. Introduces the 7th 7 Series generation for 2023. The prices. MSRP range, $93,300 to $113,600.